Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to link your Etsy shop to Pinterest. To start, go to your browser. Here, open the Etsy website. Also, you need to have a Pinterest account to share your listings on it. Here, you need to go to your profile. Now, tap on Settings. In the settings, you'll find Public Profile along with other options. We need to go to Claimed Accounts. Here you'll find the option of Connecting Website. Click on Claim right next to it. Now we can add HTML tag, upload HTML file, or add TXT record. From here, we can copy the link to add into our listings. Click to copy the link. After that, go back to your Etsy store and then click on Continue. This is where you'll add the URL and a click button. After that, go back to your Etsy and copy the link of your listing here. Copy the link of your selected listing and paste the URL in Pinterest. And that listing will be added to Pinterest. This is how you can link your Etsy account to Pinterest. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.